Hey guys, so something just a little bit different today. I'm doing a quick cheap upgrade to my mountain bike today, and I'm replacing the 60mm stem with a Brand X 35mm stem. Now this is going to bring the handlebars a little bit closer towards me. One of the big complaints with the Caliber 2.3 is that the handlebars are too far away and you have to lean over, and I do feel like I'm very front heavy on it. So I'm going to quickly change that over and we'll take it for a ride and see how it feels. I'm getting the headset, is that what it's called, off, and it's all full of sand and grit, so I'm going to clean this out and re-grease it before I put the new headset back on. So you can see the difference in size between the old one and the new one. This one's much shorter, 60mm, 35mm. Alright, so I thought I'd give it a quick whirl just along a gravel track just to see what the positioning feels like. And it's kind of hard to tell, to be honest. Doesn't really feel a whole lot different. I'm sure it is. I'm sure I'm sitting slightly more upright, but I reckon I'm still going to want to put some riser bars on as well, but we'll see. I feel after riding it a little bit longer, like longer rides, 15-20 miles, I'll get a better idea of if it's helped in terms of comfort. I definitely feel like I'm maybe not stretching over as far as normal, which is good. But anyway, first upgrade, and I'm fairly happy with that. For £18. Definitely nice to look at a slightly smarter stem. Not amazing. It's not a Hope or a Vertec or something posh, but it's all right for my cheap bike. This is just a fitness ride I'm doing. No skill involved, really. Still enjoy riding wherever I am. Trying to get used to this pivoting. Alright. Oh, rocks, rocks, rocks. Lovely weather we're having. look forward to my next proper session going down a single track. Like, meet up with my buddy Adam for that kind of riding. And for my fitness rides, if I do something longer, gravel, something like this, I tend to go out with another good friend, Keith, who's into gravel riding. So today I'm just out on my own, having a quick spin, checking out the new stem. Nice view from the top there, eh? That's my house over there. And that's where we're gonna head, away up there. It's rough. Don't like riding these ruts, they're a flipping nightmare. This is trial bikes doing this shit. Illegally, they're not supposed to be on here. Oh, this is just crap. Oh God. If anybody remembers my first ever video, if you've seen it, I'll link to it in the top right. If you see where that tractor's coming down now, that's where I fell off. First ever accident. Didn't hurt myself, or it didn't feel like it hurt myself, but my knee was a bit sore afterwards. But yes, I fell off here. Tried to come down this shit in the mud with these Trail Boss tyres on. Just didn't go too well. And I've recently heard that these Trail Boss, WTB Trail Boss, aren't very good in the mud anyway. So lesson learned, don't ride these in shitty mud. Anyway, we're almost back onto the gravel, so I think I'll be switching the GoPro off as I'm heading home. It was just a quick ride to test the stem, and we'll see you guys in the next video when I'm probably doing something a little bit more exciting that I'm doing today. Whew. Hard work that. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button because it helps me out in the algorithm, and leave a comment. And if you want to watch another video, they'll pop up now.